Today I decided to finally figure out how to access my contacts from within the new Gmail. Since switching to the new Gmail, I have been manually typing in contacts.google.com in the browser window, like so. This is not very efficient. So, let me show you what to do. Find and click the icon with the 9 dots in the top right-hand corner of the new Gmail. At the bottom of the drop-down, do not click more, but rather scroll down through the panel until you see Contacts. Click and drag this up to a higher row. You can rearrange any of these apps by clicking and dragging. The Gmail team should add contacts higher up in the list automatically, in my opinion. The other way you can access or add a contact is to hover over a contact's name in your inbox. If you want to add them to your contacts, click Add Contacts. And there you go. Easy peasy. Wish I had discovered this a few weeks ago.